Good morning, students. Today we are going to discuss number one concept, soil conservation. To prevent the soil from being eroded, and any alteration in its natural environment, natural composition. This is called as conservation of soil. A set of strategies for preventing of soil from being eroded or from being polluted is known as soil conservation. Now, in this strategy, we first discuss the soil pollution. We have earlier discussed the soil erosion. Now look, soil pollution. What is the soil pollution? We throw our garbage outside our home in the soil. गार्बेज डाल दिया, प्लास्टिक वेस्ट मटेरियल, जो भी हमारे घर का गार्बेज है, कूड़ा कचरा है, भी थ्रो इन दी सॉइल. It causes harmful effects in the soil. Due to this, a number of harmful germs, insects, bacteria start to develop over here. Not only causing the soil, degrade the soil quality, but also adversely affect to our health. कहीं पर भी कुछ भी होगा, उसका लॉन्ग टर्म इफेक्ट, इट इज नॉट शॉर्ट टर्म. इन लॉन्ग टर्म it will affect our health also. So what is soil pollution? The presence of man-made chemicals or other alteration, any other alteration. हमने कोई भी बाहर से मटेरियल डाल दिया, this is the spoilage of the alteration in the natural quality of the soil. So it causes other alteration in the natural soil. Whatever we made change, चाहे अच्छे के लिए ही करें, but we change the natural quality of the soil. This will become in the soil pollution. Right? What are the causes of soil pollution? There are a number of the causes. Number one, industrial effluents. Industrial water, and their garbage, they directly put into the soil and it causes the soil pollution. Second one, landfills. We throw our garbage, plastics into the soil. It causes soil pollution. Landfills are the low-lying areas, as we have discussed in 6th class. Low-lying areas outside the cities, which are used to dump garbage. Now agriculture is also causes soil pollution, because in agriculture we use a number of chemical pesticides, chemical insecticides, chemical fertilizers, insecticide, pesticides. They change the soil quality and reduce the soil quality. Sometimes due to excessive use of the fertilizers, the soil become acidic and non-fertile. Now a number of chemicals that we use and throw away, they also change the soil quality. So industrial effluents, landfills, agriculture, chemicals. Now look over here, how can we prevent the soil pollution? To prevent the soil pollution, we need two proper sewage disposal, proper treatment of the sewage disposal. जब भी सीवेज डिस्पोजल जिसको हम बाहर डालने वाले हैं उसका प्रॉपरली ट्रीटमेंट कर दिया जाए तब सो दैट इट बिकम हार्मलेस it will cause the pollution but less amount. Recycle the waste. Recycle as much as possible. जिनका भी हम रिसाइकल कर सकते हैं उन सबको रिसाइकल कर लिया जाए. नेक्स्ट वन, ट्रीटमेंट ऑफ इंडस्ट्रियल effluents and before disposal in the water. Next one, do not throw garbage outside. And next one, control air pollution as well as water pollution. Contaminated water is also a great cause of the soil pollution. Now look a short discussion of the causes of soil pollution, soil erosion. Soil erosion, we have discussed earlier. The loss of the top layer of the soil, top fertile layer of the soil is called as soil erosion. We have cutted down all the trees. Cutting down trees at large scale. That's why the soil directly exposed with the water, directly exposed with the sun. Ultimately, it lost its moisture. So, number one, deforestation, cutting down of the trees at large scale. Due to cutting down of large scale trees, the sun rays directly exposed to the soil and it lost the moisture and ultimately it blow away with the strong winds. So, second factor is the wind, strong winds. Third one, when the soil is uncovered, water directly exposed over here during rainfall, ultimately water carried away this soil. This is the third reason, water. Water also causes heavy rainfall, also causes flood, and along with the flood, the water carried away. Next reason is the overgrazing. Overgrazing, due to the grazing, the feeding of the cattle, cow, buffalo, goat, sheep, right? They are grazing, but overgrazing, grazing in large extent, it also causes the cattle eaten up all the plants and ultimately the soil become uncovered and it prone for the soil erosion.